The number of goals scored by a football player in 10 matches are 11100211122. Calculate the mean number of goals and the standard deviation. Make use of sigma equal to the square root of summation x squared f all over summation f minus x bar squared. Sigma stands for the standard deviation. We take solution. For us to answer this question, first thing we are going to start by calculating the mean x bar. It is simply equal to summation x all over n. This will simply be equal to, we are going to add all these numbers. We take the number 1 appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write this as 5 times 1 plus 0, we don't need 0, plus 2 appears 1, 2, 3 times, plus 2 times 3. Then we divide this by the number of observations. There are 10 of them. This will be equal to 5 times 1 gives 5, plus 2 times 3, which gives us 6. We have to divide this by 10. Or you can still decide to add the numbers individually right down to the last number. This will be equal to 5 plus 6 gives us 11. We divide 11 by 10, and this will be equal to 1.1 goals. So this is the mean. Next step, we are to calculate the standard deviation. For us to easily calculate standard deviation, we are going to construct a frequency table, of which we are going to calculate x squared and x squared f. First, we need a column for x. Next, we need a column for x squared. Next, we need a column for f. Next, we need a column for x squared times f. For the goals, you'll see that the minimum number of goals is 0. Next, we have 1. Arranging them in ascending order from 0, we go to 1 and 2. 0 appears 2 times, so that means the frequency for 0 is 2. 1 appears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, frequency is 5. 2 appears 1, 2, 3 times, the frequency of 2 is 3. Next, we need x squared. 0 squared remains 0. 1 squared gives 1. 2 squared gives 4. Next, we need x squared f. That means we take the value of x squared times f. 0 times 2 gives 0. 1 times 5 gives 5. 4 times 3 gives 12. Next, we need summation f. This will simply be equal to, we have to sum these values. 2 plus 5 gives 7 plus 3 gives 10. Next, we need the summation x squared f. This will simply be equal to 0 plus 5, which is 5, plus 12, it gives us 17. Knowing the summation x squared f, summation f, and x bar, we can calculate the standard deviation, making use of this formula. Sigma is equal to the square root of summation x squared f all over summation f minus x bar squared. This will give us the square root of summation x squared f is simply equal to 17. We divide this by summation f, which is 10. Then we subtract x bar squared. X bar is 1.1 squared. This will simply be equal to the square root of 17 divided by 10 gives us 1.7 minus 1.1 squared gives us 1.21. This will simply be equal to the square root of 1.7 minus 1.21. This will simply give us 0.49. The square root of 0.49 is simply equal to 0.7. Therefore, the standard deviation sigma is equal to 0.7. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.